your country, your family, and your father's house, for the land that I will show you. I will make you a great nation. I will bless you and make your name great, and you will be a blessing. I will bless those who bless you, and whoever curses you, I will curse. And in you, all peoples of the earth will be blessed.
Hindi pang matanda eh.
Abraham, Abraham,
Yes, I am here.
lay not your head upon the boy, neither do anything unto him. For now I know that you fear the God, seeing you has not withheld you, son, your only son, from me.